Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, gently close your eyes. Welcome to this guided meditation for stress relief. In just a few minutes, we'll focus on calming your mind and relaxing your body. Let's begin by centering our breath. Inhale deeply through your nose, allowing your belly to rise, and exhale softly through your mouth. Imagine releasing any tension with each breath. Breathe in peace and exhale the stress. Let's continue this gentle rhythm together. Now bring your awareness to your body. Feel your shoulders soften as you release the weight of the day. Relax your neck and jaw, letting go of any tightness. Allow your arms, hands, and fingertips to become heavy. Feel warmth and relaxation spreading through your legs, all the way down to your toes. You are safe, calm, and at peace. Picture yourself standing in a beautiful field with gentle sunlight warming your skin. A soft breeze carries the scent of wildflowers and rustles the grass around you. As you breathe in, imagine filling yourself with this serene energy. Breathe out, releasing any lingering worries. When you're ready, bring your awareness back to the present moment. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes. Open your eyes and take this calm energy with you throughout your day. If you found this helpful, I invite you to like this video and subscribe for more guided meditations. Thank you for joining me. See you next time.